book isn't about traditional diet food, is it?
Oh my God, don't make me cook or eat traditional diet food. Who likes traditional diet food? Raise your hand. Yeah, nobody. Zero. Because it tastes like diet food. The whole point of this book is that healthy and delicious are no longer mutually exclusive. You should not taste what you're missing in a great diet.
And we've got a smorgasbord of foods here. Let's talk about how you have these set up.
I went out of my way to make it really easy for you to figure out how to put the calories into your diet. And you can customize it with 80 recipes that are all new. You can literally come up with thousands of combinations of these recipes. And the way I broke it down is by color. The blue recipes, and they're all color-coded in the book, blue recipes are 350 to 450 in calorie count. The yellow are 250 to 350 in calorie count. The green are 150 to 250. The orange are 75 to 150. And the purple are 75 or less.
I see
So
some chocolate
you are
fudge
looking at a
cookies
chocolate
in
chip
there.
cookie that is on the same shelf
Feels like
as
a-
half a grapefruit. So talk about a great swap. And who has to eat a half a grapefruit every day because they think that's healthy and it's a great low-cal? Nobody? Nobody eats grapefruit anymore?
I love grapefruit.
I eat it all the time.
Throw out the grapefruit. Eat
I like-
double
yeah.
chocolate chip
I like
cookies
that.
now.
I'd go for that.
That's what you can have for breakfast.
And we were talking before the segment, some of these are multiple servings,
Yes.
just to clarify, because people say, wait a minute, there's
That's
a
right.
lot more than 300 and some calories in that. But
But to give you a sense, this is one serving. This is the beet and walnut salad. That's one serving. It's a great serving. This is one breakfast serving. These mashed potatoes are one serving. These smoothies are one serving. The Rocky Road oatmeal is one serving. The pizza is one serving.
Are the
This
cookies?
chicken
I'm going to
apple
try this
salad is one
smoothie. Can I try
serving.
this?
Is one
Yes,
cookie
absolutely.
a serving?
wait.
One cookie is 75 calories, 2 grams of fat. Normally would be about 397 calories.
Can I only
12
get
grams
one?
of fat. You can have as many as you want.
Let's wait for dessert. Let's
wait
hold
on.
off on that. Let's hold off just for a moment.
Smoothies are great for kids because you can put stuff in there. They don't know what's in there, and
They're
it's like
so
drinking
easy
a
to
shake.
make. You throw them in a blender. I use 2 cups of
These are
ice.
good.
I use some whey protein powder
that's
and real
good.
fruit, a little bit of sweetener. I use some agave to sweeten the smoothies, and they come out with it ends up as a 20-ounce portion, which is a huge portion.
Yeah,
You're
so
talking
that'll
under
fill you up.
150 calories there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Dr. Sears, in general, I think the whole concept, colors for kids, if you want to get your kids to lose some weight, this is a great way to do it. And they're having fun. And as Jim says, you should always have them involved in the shopping, in the cooking,
Absolutely.
picking out the colors.
Kids love colors. If you
Kids
make it a
love to
game
cook,
like this,
they love colors,
they'll
and they
love
love pizza.
Uh-huh.
And they love smoothies. And I've even got chicken tenders in the book that are very low calorie with ranch dressing. So
And the reason you're bringing calories into the fray here is you talk about the idea of 6 meals rather than the
right.
traditional 3-day. This is something we talk about, eating regularly every 3
right.
hours to keep your blood sugar levels at a stable state. Talk to us about that.
Absolutely. As you know, and all the many fans of your show know, you've talked about it many times, there is real scientific evidence, there is medical evidence to show that if you eat more often, smaller meals, you will boost your metabolism and your base metabolic rate will be higher than if you didn't. So you'll be burning more calories doing nothing, simply eating. There is a UN study that says the average American eats 3,790 calories. Can you imagine how many calories that is? That is almost 3 times what you need to eat for a day. So what I'm trying to do is cut your caloric intake in half and double the amount of meals you have from 3 to 6. There is no shortage of food on this diet. I use volume-rich foods like the negative calorie foods. These are 30 calories a cup. You can basically eat as much of those as you want, and they're worked into a lot of the dishes in this recipe, including whole fiber.